Okay, this week I'm doing a braised turnip dish. This is a favorite side dish of mine once our garden starts coming in. And I'm also going to do some sweet and sour peppers. And these are great on top of sandwiches or burgers. So let's get to work. Alright, there's the veggies we'll start with. In the beginning, I'm going to cube up the turnip into some nice big chunks. Got my pan heating up on a little bacon grease. And we'll just get all this turnip sauteing. Same thing with the carrot, just chunk that up real nice, and then the beet. Add a little more grease to the turnips and carrots, and then get the beets going. I just like to get some good caramelization on those to really bring out the sugary flavors. Alright, and then I'm going to start the sweet and sour peppers and onions. Just slice up this onion. Fairly thin strips, but it's just kind of a random chop here. And then stripped up the peppers too. Start a little bacon grease heating up and some olive oil. Get that all sauteing. A little garlic powder. And a little pepper. A little pepper to the veggies. Also some granulated garlic. A little more pepper there. A little bit of beef stock. Some soy sauce. Some Gold Mountain seasoning sauce. If you don't have that, it's perfectly fine without it. I always just use balsamic and soy and beef stock. And that was some balsamic vinegar. Same thing, we'll add it to the sweet and sour peppers and onions. And a little bit of soy to that. And then some brown sugar. I think about 2 tablespoons or so. Adding a little bit of the Gold Mountain seasoning sauce to that too. And a little more soy. And a little bit more vinegar. We'll just let the liquid on both of these reduce to a syrup and they're ready to go. Alright, so those are both pretty easy to put together. As I said in the intro, those sweet and sour peppers are really good on sandwiches. They're a great roast beef topper. They're good on burgers. And the braised turnips are really good just on their own. So I hope you give those a try. Till next time, thanks for watching.